So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change background color on CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is download the CapCut app and then open it up. Once you've opened the CapCut app, you will see this option right here, media, and you will need to import your video. Once you've imported on here, in order to change background color, you will need to click on the video itself where you want to change the color for. And you can see some options on here like video. You can see the basic, remove BG and so on, audio, speed, adjust, as well as AI stylize. Now on here, you can see some options like remove BG or remove background. If it's not popping up on here, so you can see under basic some of the options, I suggest you go over to the web version since the web version has some other features. So let's do that quickly. And you can see this is how the web version looks. And once you select under the timeline some video, it's similar, but it's not quite the same. You will have on the right part of the page background. So if you're working on the app, make sure that you do it through the same account so it saves your projects in the web version as well. So click on the background and you can see the background color options. So you can see blur and format, and you can see some brand colors, so you can choose something different, and you can see some recommended colors as well. So you can change through here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.